Hey, good morning, class. How you guys doing? I don't know what time it is with you guys, but it's about what time is it? 11 o'clock on a Tuesday. You might be viewing this video at 11 p.m., 1 a.m., 2 a.m., 2 p.m. But whatever time it is, it doesn't matter because you're watching my video. All right, so what we're going to be doing now is we're going to be working on functions, domain, and range. All right, so just as far as prior knowledge, the information that you're going to be learning today, you need to know this stuff. All right, and this is the assignment that we were doing before. Okay, so for the most part, just make sure that you understand it, and that's why we're going to do a little review. Okay, wake up, wake up. Yeah. So, anyways, let's go ahead and do the first problem. So, how do you find the equation, the inequality for this graph line or number line? So again, we're going to use the letter x, and the number that we're going to be using is -1 and then -5, right? So what inequality are we going to put in there? So let's see. So obviously, we're just going to do one at a time. So x, and if um, since the numbers are -5, -4, -3, -2, -1, these numbers are smaller, right? And also, it's equal to -1, all right? So you got that component. So now if I cover this, all right, and let's say, okay, I got this one, how do I write this inequality? So x is greater than, is it equal to? No, because it's not closed. It's greater than -5. So because we want the -5 on the left side and we want the x in the middle, right, we got to flip this inequality. So now I'm going to flip this little puppy right here and then just make it point to the left. And that's it. Pretty easy, right? Yeah, pretty easy. Woohoo! Now try this one. Here we go. -1. All right, so let's try this one. So x, I'm going to cover this, is smaller, right? All these numbers are smaller because it's the line includes -2, -3, so they're smaller and equal to -1. All right, so that's this component. So now I'm going to go ahead and close this and say, okay, how do I write the inequality for this? Well, x is greater, because it's pointing to the right, greater than and equal to -3. Okay, so, but I wanted to actually fit in with this inequality, so I just got to flip this, and so I'm basically flipping the what? Yeah, flipping the inequality. So it's going to go like that. Bam! Bum, bum, Try the next one. Try the next one. All right, let's try this one. So here we go. Can I use R? Yeah, that's fine. Let's use R. Let me use a different color. So R, how do you do this one? R is pointing to the right, so it's greater than. Is it equal to? No, it's not equal to. So I'm not going to put a little line underneath. It's greater than what? 1. Then over here, R is less than, because the further it goes out, the smaller they get. Is it equal to? No, because it doesn't have a bubble or it's not filled in. So it's just like that. And the number is -4. So in order to put it into this inequality, to merge them together, I just got to flip the inequality and use the -4. Okay, so it's going to not point to the left, it's going to point to the right. And that's it. All right, so that's just a little flashback as far as what we've learned before. Okay, so here we go. So today's worksheet, we're going to work on today's worksheet, Math Models Worksheet 4.1. There are 3 pages. There are 3 pages, but we're only going to focus on the function question. Is it a function? All right. So I kind of prepared this lesson for you guys. So we're going to work on domain and range another day. But today we're just going to work on what's called the function. And what is a function? All right, a function is something in abstract sense. It's something that will take an input in order to produce an output. What? What'd you say? Input, output, what? Yes. For example, how do you make a shoe? All right. Basically, you got to start with the fabric. All right. And then from the fabric, it's your input, your starting, right? What you're going to start with. You have a process. So from this fabric, you're going to go into the different stations and you're going to create this process. All right? Yes? Yeah. So you're going to cut the fabric, you're going to cut the toe tips, you're going to use a hot metal press is used. You're going to, the fabric is sent to the sewing department, there's stitching. So there's all this stuff that's happening. And then what's your output? The sneakers, right? Bam. All right. And then they get shipped to the stores and they get sold and blah, blah, blah. Okay. So earlier we have in math, it kind of looked like this in one of the problems, one of the worksheets. Okay. And a function is usually in the form like f. F can mean a function. The f of x is equal to 2 times x minus 5. So the x can be the fabric. So if I put f of the function of 2, so now, remember this is the fabric, so you're going to do 2 times the fabric minus 5. So 2 times 2 is 4 minus 5. And if I do the t-chart, I got 4, negative 5, negative wins, and my output is negative, and they won by 1. Bam. Another function is x squared. Okay, so I could put, give me a number, give me a number, give me a number, come on. Give me a number. Negative 3? Oh, someone said, no, someone said 1. So, oh, go ahead and negative 1. So, then 1 squared. So 1, this is the whole process. This is all the stuff that's happening. So 1 squared is 1 times 1, and it's 1. So my output is 1. All right? So pretty good. So far so good. All right. Yeah. What's up? What's up? All right. So there we go. Next page. Here we go. So basically functions. So functions are basically graphs. All right. So here's a graph. Here's a graph. All right. So how do you determine whether or not the relation? So whenever you hear the word relation, it's the relationship between x and y. All right. Basically, they're the coordinates. The relation is a function. So how can you determine if this is a function? All right. Now here's a trick. Okay. You can only use the x value once in order to get one output. All right. You can only use the x once in order to get an output. All right. That's it. All right. That's it. So you can only use x once. You can't use the x value twice. Twice. No, no, no. No más solamente una vez. No dos. Una vez. No dos. No. All right. So if we go back to this, ooh, drop. All right. One way to do this is, here's one way. So here we go. So remember, this is your x, this is your y. All right. So if I kind of use this x, I get this y. If I use this x, I get this y. If I use this x, I get this y. If I use this x, da da da. If I use this y, if I use this x, I get right. If I use this y, if I use this x, I get this y. Use this x, I get y. Use that. All right. So basically, you get the point. All right, all right. You can only use one. So is this a function? Yes, this is a function. All right, it's a function. So what about here? All right. Well, here, let's see. If I use this x, I get this y. Wait, but if I use the same x, I get this y. Wait, that's no. So that you, I use this same x. Let's say -1. I used it to get this y, and I use it to get this y. So I used the x twice. How about here? Let's say this is 2. X is 2. Well, I got this, and I got that. Wait. So no, this is not a function. No function. No function. No function. So remember, this is a no function. So how can you determine? Again, you could do the points. Okay, one x, bam. All right. Okay. I got a y. I got a y. You can use that, or you can use what's called the vertical line test. So if the vertical line goes through more than one point of the graph, then it is not a function. So what you could do is you could get a piece of paper, doesn't matter, whatever you want, you could get something, and then if you notice right here, remember x, if you only see one, if it only hits it once, then it's a function. All right, if it hits the line once, see right here the x, boom, it's only hitting it once. So I see it, I see it, I see it. No, 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 no. Yep, it's still good. It's still good. It's a function. It's a function. Well, right here I kind of messed up. I was going to extend it out, so it should have been like that. So sorry. All right. No, 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 no. It's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. See, if this would have been over here, if I would have had another line or something like that, it's like, that's not a function. So how about the next one? How about the next one? Try this one. Here we go. Ready? Oh, wait. I see it hits here and hits here. It hits the line twice. Right here, it hits it twice. Doesn't matter. It could have hit it once, but as long as it hits it twice, that's fine. You see that? No, so that's not a function. All right? So pretty good. So now let's go ahead and do some examples. All right? And so let's try this one. Ready? Let's try, you could do the vertical line test. Ready? Here we go. Try that one. Just draw it. What do you think? What do you think? All right, here we go. Here we go. Good. It's only one. See, I don't see it anywhere over here. I don't see the line anywhere. I only see it right there. Bam. Bam. Okay, this is a function. Function. Got it? So this is a function. All right, this is a function. So now let's try the next one. All right. Actually, the next one didn't have anything. So let's try. Um, hold on, hold on. Okay. Sorry. I'm trying to play a song. Jeez. All right, let's try this one. Okay. What do you think? Is it a function or no function? All right, let's try the vertical test. 8 right here. Look at right here and right there. This x hits it there and there. So I could even draw a line if you want. If you want to draw a line, wait. It hits it once, twice, 3 times. So no, this is not a function. Not a function. Okay? Not a function. How about this one? If you want to draw a line, if you want, break it down if you want. Or you could actually eye it out. Let's see, right here, right here. Okay, I'm sorry, I didn't show you this graph. All right, here we go. Bam, 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 bam. It's only hitting it once. Right? Right there. Yeah, it's good, good, good. Yeah, it's a function. Function. All right. How about this one? How about this one right here? Okay, well, from my eyeing it, maybe, I don't know. Let's see. Once, not hitting a line, a vertical line, no, it's good, it's good, it's good. It's good, it's good, it's good, it's good. Oh yeah, it's a function. It's a function. Alright? So that's basically it. Oh, suavemente. Alright, here we go. How about this one? Alright, so on this one, you do the same thing. There are, but there are some dots. Doesn't matter. You could do the same thing. Vertical line test. Right, let's see. Right here. Alright, once, nothing else. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Once, there's a dot. Here we go, here we go, here we go, here we go. Dot, dot, no. Dot right there. Okay, see, there's no, if there was a dot over here, then it would not be a function. So right now, it is a function. So function. Function. How about the next one? Ready? Try it, try it. Here we go. Música, señor. Yeah, good, good. One. Oh, right there. For this X, I got two Y's. All right, I used it twice. I can't use it. See, I got that Y, I got that Y. No function. No function, no function. There you go, no function. And then how about the next one? Ready? Go. Here we go. Yeah, it's good, it's good. Vertical test, vertical test. Yeah, it's good, it's good. I could draw a line up if you want. Draw a line up. Draw a line. Draw a line. Draw a line. Good. Okay, very good. So this is a function. All right. If there was a dot right here, yeah, it wouldn't be a function. So right now it's a function. All right. And that's it. And now how about this one? Now the worksheet gives you graphs, dots, and also coordinates. So again, with the function, you can only use the x once, all right? X1. So I like to highlight the x's. Ready? Highlight them. Okay? Bam. So what I did is I highlighted the x's, all right? So here we go. I can only use the x once. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4. What is that? Function. How about this one? 0, 1, -5, -8. Function. How about this one? 8, 7, 6, 8. No function. Alright, you guys got it? But mister, wait, look, over here you use -1, -1, -1. Yeah, but remember, the input, the X, you could only use it once. Alright, like just the fabric. You can only use this fabric for that shoe. Okay? So, so you could have all these outputs, alright? And they could be the same, but it's okay. You could only use the input only once, alright? And that's it. That's kind of it for the lesson. Are we good? I think we're good. Alright. Okay, that's it. I think I'm done. Oh, where's the music? Oh, there we go. Alright, I'm done, you guys. You guys take care. So remember, all you got to do is, on the 3 pages, determine whether it's a function or not a function. Alright? Are we good? Alright, take care and repeat this lesson. Alright? Restart it. Adios, guys. Ahua! No sean tristes. Come on, we'll get through this.